Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. And if you got my last video drag racing the Mach down the Las Vegas Motor Speedway, you kind of already know what the issue is and what we got to fix today. So let me show you. This is a Yeti cooler. So guess what, thermostat went on it, and every morning when I drive the car to work, almost get to work, and the heater just kicks in, so which basically a Yeti cooler. Another thing that sucks, I recently had new coolant in there, and I guess we're gonna have to drain this one out and put a new in there as well. And good thing about it, the thermostat is right down there on that hose. I was surprised too when I found that out, because I was looking up here, basically nothing. So the thermostat is all the way down on the Y splitting hose, so it should be easy to get to. The only thing I have to do is I have to raise the car up and drain the coolant and split the hose. And let me show you the parts. These are OEM Motorcraft parts. I usually get these on Rock Auto, pretty inexpensive if you have a Ford, so you already know. Motorcraft coolant, new one, so way to go. So next thing for me is to fix this Yeti cooler is I gotta raise the car up, drain the coolant, and that's also easy, which is down on the bottom. So let's get to the part and I'll show you what's underneath the car. So down here underneath the car, on the driver's side, as you can see, this is where the thermostat is. You literally got 2.8mm and pops off. You can change it really easy, but the only thing sucks, I gotta drain the coolant, and I'm thinking I'm gonna go right here. I think that's the easiest, most controllable, because there's also a drain plug on the radiator over there, but I got a feeling it's gonna go all over, so I'm gonna try right here. Yeah, it's a messy job, but it's being done. I didn't unscrew all this all the way out, so I just kind of left it on with the thread. So now I'm just gonna pop the cap off so that it drains faster. I'll get back to you once that one is done. All right, coolant is drained. Now, thermostat basically comes off like that. Also something else popped out, which is this. I don't know where this came from, but it was stuck in there. All right. Just like that. Clean. Clean. All right. Here is the old thermostat. As you can see, it's pretty much same as the new one. However, we have a mystery thing that popped out of thermostat housing, so I'm thinking this might have been lodged in here and caused it to be open constantly. So I'm not sure where this came from or what the hell that is, but that popped out of here. So anyways, let's just put a new o-ring and a new thermostat in there, and it will be set for a while. And then we're just gonna toss this bad boy to garbage. Alright, to install a new thermostat, you literally put a thermostat in here, like that, and you put a new o-ring right behind it, like that. And then you just bolt it all back together evenly. All right, let me just do that to move the camera out of my way so I can finish that. All right, thermostat is in. This is already reduced because when I was filling it earlier. So now I'm just gonna try to fill it up and see, make sure it's not leaking down there. Looks like we're good. All right, so these engines have a burp valve which is up here, so a small socket. Get it in, then try to open it without breaking stuff. So let me do this. So I can't get this bolt off. So the next best thing is I'm gonna remove this hose, because this hose is right before thermostat, so it should fill up the block almost to the top. And then we'll just let the engine pull the rest, because I don't want to strip this and it's kind of not giving, so I'm just gonna fill it through there. This trick actually worked pretty good because I was able to put a lot of coolant up in here. So I filled the block almost to the top, which I didn't have to mess with this thing right now. I'm gonna let the car warm up slowly. The heater is on to the full blast and it's going up to temperature, so I'm just gonna monitor this and reinstall the partial of the shaker. As you can see, the shaker actually works pretty good because you can see where the ram air hits the filter and it gets more dirty. So yeah, let me just back it up right now, clean the floors, and reinstall that bad boy. Alright, she's all up to the temperature. Everything seems to work fine. Looks like we fixed that. The temperature got up really fast, up to the media. So I'm just gonna go for a test drive, make sure everything is okay. And I appreciate you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.